How to remove story from library on Wattpad. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to remove story from library on Wattpad easy and fast. So first thing, go to Wattpad and go down here to library. Now choose the story that you want to remove. For example, I'm gonna choose this one and click on it and keep clicking like this. Now click remove from library and it will be removed. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.